check the Sky Out car parking. It's a 1 hour free park, and he's got his car in there where who knows whether they've bumped the other cars getting in, and you can barely get the car in if you put it sideways. Doesn't even know I'm filming him. Great driving, mate. Yeah, but what damage did you do to the other cars? That's probably a hire car that he's got. No birds, don't know what that is. Unbelievable. Just check out that. He's got 1 inch on the back and about 6 inches on the front. Unbelievable.